My name is Gyflogaeth and I'm autistic. I didn't speak until I was 5 or 6. I was diagnosed autistic when I was about 11 or 12. I attended a special unit within a mainstream school where I was supported with my learning. I was first told a formal qualification such as a GCSE would not be achievable, but I proved them all wrong. I'm currently employed by Learning Disability Wales as the lead ambassador for the Engage Change project and by Always People First as their outreach worker. If you'd asked me when I was 16 leaving education that in the future I would have 2 jobs, I would have told you no, let alone be able to travel across Wales independently. I was fortunate to have transition support from a project called Real Opportunities and to have job coach support from the Engage Change project. This has helped me to try different jobs and to get 2 paid jobs that I thoroughly enjoy. There are different ways to get a paid job, and you're going to meet several young people from the Engage Change project who was supported on their path to find and keep a job. All of the young people had some one-to-one support from an expert job coach. A job coach is not like a teacher or youth worker. It is a very different type of role. A job coach is trained to offer support in a particular way and is often employed by a supported employment agency. A job coach will get to know you, what you are good at, and what you would like support for. They can help you to find training courses and help you to find and apply for a job. If you need it, a job coach will support you in the workplace to learn the job tasks and how to be a part of the team you are working with. They will work with your employer to make sure you have everything you need to do your job and can help you with any problems you may have at work.
Twf Swyddi Cymru Plus yn rhaglen dysgu ar gyfer pobl ifanc 16 i 19 oed nad ydynt mewn addysg, hyfforddiant na chyflogaeth amser llawn. Mae'n rhaglen hyblyg iawn sydd wedi dylunio o'ch cwmpas. Byddwch yn dysgu sgiliau newydd, yn cael cymwysterau ac yn gallu rhoi cynnig ar swyddi y gallai fod gennych diddordeb ynddynt. Byddwch yn cael lwfans hyfforddi tra byddwch yn dysgu a chyflog gwirioneddol pan fyddwch yn cael cyflogaeth. Bydd eich cyflogwyr yn eich cefnogi i ddatblygu eich sgiliau a'ch gwybodaeth ymhellach. Mae 2 ffordd wahanol o sicrhau eich bod yn cael cymorth cywir. 1. Ymgysylltu. Os nad ydych yn siŵr beth rydych am ei wneud, bydd hyn yn eich helpu i benderfynu. Byddwch yn gallu rhoi cynnig ar swyddi y gallai fod gennych diddordeb ynddynt cyn i chi benderfynu ar gwrs neu brentisiaeth. Bydd hefyd yn helpu i chi baratoi ar gyfer bywyd gwaith a symud i mewn iddo. 2. Cynnydd. Os oes angen cymwysterau neu gefnogaeth ychwanegol arnoch, neu os oes gennych diddordeb mewn swydd benodol, cewch gymorth i wneud hyn ddigwydd. 3. Cyflogaeth. Os ydych yn gwybod beth rydych am ei wneud, rydych yn chwilio am waith ac yn barod i ddechrau, gall hyn eich helpu i gael y swydd. Byddwch yn cael eich cefnogi i ddod o hyd i swydd gyda chyflogwyr lleol. Gallwch gael cymorth yn eich gweithle gan hyfforddwyr swydd arbunegol os bydd ei angen arnoch. Os oes gennych diddordeb mewn, gallwch ofyn eich cynghorydd gyrfa neu gysylltu a Cymru'n gweithio.
Well, I didn't ever think that I could get a job. But every other person I've asked, they've always said no because they just look at me, they don't give me an opportunity. So that's why I'm glad that the council basically took me on.
He does everything to a high level and standard, and to be honest, I'm quite proud of him.
I've gained in confidence. I've met a lot of people, a lot of friends. I've had different opportunities. I've done so many courses which I couldn't do before.
I work with Thomas on a day-to-day basis, the same as I work with every other member of staff. Everybody needs help and support. Thomas just needs help and support to enable him to do the job, whether it's making a reasonable adjustment for him, to drive the Toro, to put a ball on there, to enable him. That's what it's all about, it's enabling people, isn't it? He's a visual learner. I am a visual learner, and that's what he is. And I understood that very early on, but everybody is capable as long as they're given the right tools to do the job.
There's good days and bad days, but most of them are good. It's like, I won't look back now. There's only one way, and that's up.
Mae cyflogaeth a chymorth yn seiliedig ar y syniad y gall unrhyw un ddod yn gyflogedig, os ydyn nhw wir eisiau swydd, os ydyn nhw'n dod o hyd i swydd sy'n addas iddyn nhw ac maen nhw'n cael y cymorth sydd ei angen arnyn nhw. Mae sawl cam i gael cymorth i gael swydd. Bydd hyfforddwyr swydd arbenigol yn gweithio gyda chi ddod i'ch nabod. Byddant yn dod i wybod am eich gobeithion ar gyfer y dyfodol, eich anghenion, cymorth, eich sgiliau, eich profiadau, a'r swyddi yr hoffech i'w wneud. Gelwyr hyn yn broffilio galwedigaethol. Bydd eich proffil galwedigaethol yn cael ei ddefnyddio gan yr ynogwyr swydd i'ch helpu i ddod o hyd i'r math o swydd sy'n cyd-fynd orau a'ch sgiliau a'ch dewisiadau a gwneud cais amdani. Yr enw ar hyn yw pari swyddi. Os ydych chi'n cael taliadau bydd dal, gall yr anogwyr sydd eich helpu i ganfod y fydd cael swydd a thal yn newid yr arian y gewch. Gelwyr hyn yn gyfrifiad gwell eich byd yn y gwaith. Pan fyddwch wedi cael y swydd, os bydd ei angen arnoch, bydd yr anogwyr swydd yn rhannu'r tasgau swyddi yn ei gam. Bydd hyn yn ei gwneud i'n haws i ddeall y dysgu. Bydd yr hyfforddwyr swydd yn eich hyfforddi i wneud eich swydd yn eich gweithle yn haws. Wrth i chi ddod yn fwy hyderus wrth wneud eich swydd, bydd yr anogwyr swydd yn eich cefnogi llai a llai hyd nes y gallwch wneud y swydd heb ei cymorth. Bydd yr hyfforddwyr swydd yn cadw mewn cysylltiad trwy alwadau ffôn ac yn eich ymweld a'ch gweithle i wneud yn siŵr bod popeth yn mynd yn dda. Byddant yn helpu os oes unrhyw broblemau a byddant yn siarad â chi a'ch cyflogwyr.
Engage to Change helped me to get the job. I have had help from my job coach to have helped me to apply to my work placement. She visited me every week to see on how I was doing. She was very reassuring to make sure that I felt relaxed in a very busy environment.
He's just a positive vibe in the kitchen every day that he's in. He's a very, very crucial member of my team. Like, you certainly miss him when you don't see him on shift.
I believe that I have fully grown in my confidence whilst working in Wetherspoons. I feel more capable of knowing what to do in my workspace. Also, I feel happier not needing to worry of what else needs to be done, as I have the right to ask anyone when I need help, as everyone is so helpful here in Wetherspoons.
Over the years, anyway, from 9 or 10 years ago when I first started, the attitude towards all employees has certainly progressed, with the likes of Tom joining us as well. Having that understanding of how to help him also helps understanding of how to help everybody else as well. And I think the company itself, making that progression, is only a benefit, absolutely. Working with Tom, it's been an absolute delight. From the really quiet person that he was when I first met him, and to see him evolve over time to a confident person that he is right now, it's quite a proud moment, it really, really is. Because it's not just him working in the kitchen, it's him developing as a person as well. And I find that quite important for all my employees.
I have a brilliant part-time job that gives me just everything that I need. Good hour pay, friendly people, and the accessibility to feel more included with everyone else. This place has welcomed me in, ready to face the world on my own and to let everyone see me as an equal.
Mae prentisiaethau yng Nghymru ar gyfer unrhyw un dros 16 oed. Maent ar gael mewn ystod eang o rolau swydd a gellir gwneud y rhan fwyaf o brentisiaethau yn hygyrch. Byddwch yn cael pecyn cymorth llawn, beth bynnag fyddwch anghenion. Mae prentisiaethau yn caniatáu i chi ennill arian wrth ddysgu. Byddwch yn cael eich lleoli gyda cyflogwyr i gael profiad gwaith ymarferol, dysgu sgiliau newydd ac ennill cymhwyster a gydnabyddir yn genedlaethol. Byddwch yn cael amser i astudio ar gyfer eich cymhwyster. A fel prentis, byddwch yn gweithio gyda staff profiadol i ddatblygu sgiliau sydd eich angen ar gyfer y swydd. Bydd eich cyflogwyr yn gweithio gyda chi i sicrhau eich bod yn cael cymorth wedi ei dilwra i ddiwallu eich anghenion. Mae yna lefelau gwahanol o brentisiaethau, gan ddechrau gyda cymhwyster sylfaen lefel 2 a mynd i fyny at lefel 6 gradd. Os oes gennych diddordeb mewn prentisiaethau, gallwch gael help gan Cymru'n gweithio. Rydym wedi bod yn gweithio ar brentisiaeth a chymorth, lle mae'r angen am gymwysterau, yn un a chymorth hyfforddwyr swydd wedi ei gynnwys. Gall Cymru'n gweithio dweud wrthych chi am hyn fel opsiwn.
My job here at Llwybrau is a library assistant. I help sending out membership details to our clients, cleaning sensory toys when they return, and send books out to members as well. Before I came to Llwybrau, I was working at a cafe in a bowling alley. I enjoyed it, but I don't think it's autistic friendly. When COVID hit, I was not myself. I decided I need to work because I need to keep busy. So I eventually spoke with my advisor through Engage to Change whether the job opportunity came up, and she found the job at Llwybrau with me, and I got to do apprenticeship with it, and I took it. I love everything about it. It's not overwhelming, it's just exactly what I wanted. Just something to keep me busy, but not overwhelmingly busy.
Fionn has been with us for about 2 years now. We have certain things that we do on certain days of the week. Some of the jobs are just Fionn's responsibility. Some things we do together, so we're sharing the tasks between us. And then other tasks are things that I ask Fionn to do depending on the workload of the particular day. And actually, I don't work on a Thursday, so when she's in here on a Thursday, she's on her own all day.
Since I've become part of Team Llwybrau, I've developed so many skills. Skills of confidence, as well as communication and IT skills as well. And I'm more aware on data protection, and I've got great support and become friends with all my colleagues here.
Mae interniaeth a chymorth yn rhaglen waith o hyd at flwyddyn ar gyfer pobl ifanc 16-24 oed a gan hawster dysgu, anabledd dysgu a neu awtistiaeth. Rydych chi'n dysgu sgiliau gwaith a fydd yn eich helpu i gael swydd. Mae'n rhaid i chi fod mewn addysg, amser llawn mewn ysgol neu goleg, ac mae'n rhaid i'ch bod am gael swydd. Mae lleoliadau gwaith yn rhan o'r cwrs, felly nid ydych yn cael eich talu. Bydd rhywfaint o'r dysgu yn digwydd yn eich ysgol neu goleg, ond mae'r rhan fwyaf o'r dysgu yn cael ei wneud yn y gweithle. Mae'r cyflogwyr yn rhoi profiad gwaith i chi, rydych chi wedi eich hyfforddi i wneud rôl swydd a dysgu'r sgiliau sydd ei angen ar gyfer y gwaith. Efallai y gewch cynnig swydd gan y cyflogwyr pan fydd eich interniaeth wedi dod i ben. Rydych chi'n cael eich cefnogi yn y gweithle gan hyfforddwyr swydd arbenigol. Os gewch chi eich lleoli gyda cyflogwyr mawr fel ysbyty neu gyngor lleol, efallai gallwch rhoi gynnig ar 2 neu 3 swydd wahanol yn ystod y flwyddyn i'ch helpu i ddod o hyd i'r un orau i chi. Mewn colegau yng Nghymru, interniaeth a chymorth yw llwybr 4 y cwrs sgiliau byw'n annibynnol. Os oes gennych diddordeb mewn interniaeth, gallwch ofyn i'ch coleg lleol.
Felly ydw i yn ymchwilydd o fewn Tynnopolis, ac hefyd ydw i yn hoffi mynd allan ar leoliad i ddysgu sut mae bod tu ôl i llen y camerâu yn gweithio, ond ydw i'n edrych ymlaen rwan hefyd i symud ymlaen yn y dyfodol at gwneud chydig o gyfanswyddo hefyd. Ac hefyd fel ymchwilydd dwi yn trefnu calendar, ac pan dwi yn chwilio am hanesion gwahanol, wna i ffonio pobl hefyd i sôn fwy am y hanesion yma sydd ganddynt i'w rhoi. Wel, ers i mi ddechrau gweithio fo Tynnopolis am y tro cyntaf, dwi wedi cael ddysgu sut mae gweithio mewn swyddfa neu chyfanrwydd. Dim byd mwy neu lai byth yn aros o un fath, a mae hyn hefyd yn arwydd da weithio mewn swyddfa, oherwydd da chi'n gallu cael chydig o hyblygwydd fel na weithio hefyd. Mae'n hyder i wedi gwella lot, oherwydd fel person siaradus ydw i teimlo fel bod gyda i hyder siarad gyda pobl ar y ffôn ac wrth groesawu pawb i mewn i'r swyddfa, ond dwi hefyd yn teimlo fel bod gynnau y hyder i ddweud fel petai os yna rhywbeth yn poeni fi neu os ydy gwaith weithiau yn dieddol o fynd chydig bach yn osmod i mi. Oherwydd wyf wedi cael gefnogaeth gyda'n interniaeth a chymorth hefyd, mae o yn help ddim ond i mi, ond i unrhyw un arall hefyd sydd efallai eisiau cael profiad o fewn, i gael insight ac i trio pob peth o fewn beth maen nhw eisiau gwneud mwyn iddyn nhw allu gwneud penderfyniad aeddfed wedyn os hynna ydyn nhw gwneud fel swydd parhaol efallai rhyw ddwrnod yn y pendraw.
As you can see, it is possible to move on from one pathway to another one. Not everyone will want or need support from a job coach, but personally, I did find it very useful. Employment is not for everyone, but for me, it has meant financial independence. I have got 2 real jobs with real wages and equal working conditions. It feels like I am contributing to the Welsh economy. I have learned how to communicate with people in a work environment, and through this, I have made many new connections with people and organisations across the whole of Wales. If you would like to work in the future, talk to your family and people who support you about getting a job. As well as these 4 pathways, there are other employment programmes, such as Communities for Work Plus and React Plus. You may be able to get money to help you, for example, to pay for a training course and travel, or personal development grant to help you to overcome things that are stopping you from getting a job, such as confidence or mental health. You may also be able to get money from Access to Work to pay for travel to and from work and to pay for any equipment you may need to help you to do your job. Access to Work money can also be used to pay for an expert job coach to support you in work. If you'd like support from an expert job coach or help to get access to work, tell your Careers Wales, Working Wales or Job Centre Plus advisor, or you can contact a support employment agency.